In this video, I thought of sharing my opinion about Ganemullasanjeewa's murder and how that murder is going to affect our country's national security. We all know who Ganemullasanjeewa was. He was said to be a hardcore criminal and he's said to have committed over 34 killings and many other crimes. And he was caught at Katnaka Bandaranaike International Airport about a year ago when he came to Sri Lanka from Nepal in a fake name, and he was kept in CID for a long period. Now, yesterday, on Monday, on 19th of February, he was taken to Halsdorf Court for a court hearing amidst a huge security provided by the STF and the army. Right, and when we talk about the gunman who shot him, had entered the court and had entered the court premises under the guise of a lawyer, and not only him, the woman who handed the weapon to him also had entered the court premises under the guise of a lawyer. Okay, now the killer comes inside the court without any pressure or any stress. We could see when we saw the CCTV footages. He comes inside the court, and when the court hearing was going on, he had come close to Ganemullasanjeewa, and he was shot dead. Right. So the dangerous thing or the dangerous fact about this incident is that our country's national security is at a huge stake. Now, supposing if during that gunfire, if the judge or any lawyer or any other civilian had been killed, it would have been a very grave incident, very dangerous, very grave incident. Right. Now, since a criminal like Ganemullasanjeewa was killed, someone can say, no, it's not an issue to us, it's not a problem to us because he was a killer, he was a hardcore criminal. These kind of people are a huge burden to our society, so they must be killed. This is not the fact. Right. The important thing is he was killed not outside the court but inside the court when the court hearing was going on in front of the judge. Okay. Now, before talking about this killing and its aftermath, I would like to remind you about Makaduri Madhu's killing. Right. Now, you all know who Makaduri Madhush was. Makaduri Madhush also was said to be a hardcore criminal and an international level drug dealer. He was caught in 2019 at a party which was held in a 7-star hotel in Dubai, and he was brought to Sri Lanka, and then he was kept in I can't remember exactly whether it was CID or TID. However, he was kept there for 90 days. And the important fact is that Makaduri Madhush was about to reveal a very important secret related to underworld killings, underworld crimes, and more importantly, some names of some powerful politicians who were behind those underworld acts. Right. He was killed the day before that. Right. He was about to reveal that information and he was killed the previous day. This is how that killing happened. Makaduri Madhush was taken to an abandoned building in the vicinity of Colombo to search some weapons by the CID officers. And when the weapons were being searched, there had been a gunfire exchange. So during that gunfire exchange, Makaduri Madhush was shot dead. Right. So with his killing, all those important information, those secrets, those evidence, everything went under carpet. And the other important incident is Club Vasanta's murder. You all know who Club Vasanta was, therefore I don't need to explain who he was. And Club Vasanta was also about to reveal some important information or some important secrets related to underworld crimes, and then some names of powerful politicians behind those underworld crimes. And he was also killed before revealing them. Okay, and the latest incident is that Lasantha Wickramatunge's murder case. Right, we all know that recently the Attorney General had written a letter to CID asking them to release 3 suspects from that court hearing. Those 3 suspects were said to have altered, destroyed, and allegedly damaged some important evidence related to that incident. Okay, so when we pay our attention all these 3 incidents, it clearly indicates that these attempts, these things can be result or attempts of put some important evidence under carpet. So okay, now we can assume that, right? We can assume Ganemullasanjeewa was also about to reveal some important information or reveal a secret regarding underworld crimes and maybe some names of politicians behind them. However, now he has been killed. Okay, and with this killing also, if he was supposed to, if he was about to reveal some information, with his killing, those evidence or those information, all those information went under carpet. Okay, so this clearly indicates that all this is a chain of this is a chain of killings, and this can be only one incident of attempting some important evidence under carpet. Okay, now the other important fact is that, like I said earlier, he was killed inside the court in Colombo. Okay, now if that judge or lawyer or some other person had been shot, it would have been a huge discussion. There would have been a huge discussion inside the country. So this clearly indicates that our country's national security is at a huge stake. Now, even though the president and the government has been changed, we can see that the state has not been changed. Right? There are some powerful, unforeseen, unseen, and powerful hands, and unseen powerful people are there. So they are still active. Okay, they can do whatever they want. If someone is about to give evidence against them, or if someone is about to reveal important secrets against them, this person can be killed. So it clearly indicates that our country's national security is at a huge stake. We don't know when you or me are going to be killed. Okay, that's why I said, so it is of paramount importance for the NPP government and the president to take immediate actions to tighten the security of the country and take immediate actions to make sure that the country's security is established. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Please comment your ideas, and don't forget to like our videos, and don't forget to share this video among your friends. So until I come to you with another important video, I may take you leave. Take care and goodbye.